Hi friends, so today we'll see how the timer works. This is basically an electric timer, and what it does, if you see here, you see kind of a dial, and what it does, it sets a timer for anything that you plug in the switch. So you can plug in your appliance here, and this is where you can set the timer. Now if you see, there are these numbers. On the outer side you see these black things. I'll explain to you what these black things exactly are. And here inside you see two curved arrows which basically tell in which direction the timer will move. And you also see an arrow here, a black arrow. Basically the black arrow, I can show it to you well, basically the black arrow indicates the current time. So current time when I'm shooting now is 3 o'clock. So I'm going to set the timer to 3 o'clock. So you rotate it this way. I don't have to rotate it too long, too much. And then you see the arrow exactly points at 15. That is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a 24-hour timer. Now, if you see, I talked about these black outer circle. These are actually, if I had to show you closely, these are small buttons. If I can put some light on this, you see them shining, and you see these are small buttons. What you can actually do is, let me reset and I can explain to you better. So basically I've reset the entire thing for you to understand better. Now the current time is 3 o'clock. Say you want to set the timer and the appliance. In my case I'm going to put on the Christmas lights. So I want the Christmas lights to go on from say 5 o'clock. So if you see, 5 o'clock would mean here. So what I would do, right besides the number 17, that's 5 in the evening, I will press down the small black button here, this one. And if I just press it down gently, there you see it goes down. Likewise, you keep pressing the buttons after 17 till the time you want the lights to stay on. Remember, each button corresponds to 15 minutes. I want, for example, the Christmas lights on every day till midnight. So I'm going to go keep pressing these buttons till the time, let me have a look, I reach 24, that is this. So I keep pressing the buttons. You see, it's just, you have to do it gently. So all these buttons, if you see here, you can see it clearly, very clearly. You see these buttons are pressed. That means all these buttons are on between the time, the current time, and the time I wanted to, not the current time. Current time is this, from the time I want the lights on up to midnight. Yeah, and you can plug in the appliance here. Now remember one more thing, there is a switch provided on the side here. Now if it is down, it is on the timer mode, but if you press it up, push it up, it goes into the bypass mode, and that would mean you are no more going to be able to control it on the timer, and moment you plug in your appliance here, it will immediately go on. So you are bypassing the timer, but I'll keep it pushed up so that the timer is on. You can see this little sign of the timer here. Now let's check if it is working. Now I'm going to plug in the timer in the electric socket. So you see it is plugged in, and then I have the plug for the Christmas lights, which I'm going to plug in the timer switch, which is, yeah. And now that's it. It's as simple as this. If you like my video, I would appreciate if you can press the like and the subscribe button.